Sri Akal to all. I welcome you all to the book launch event of the book Success Stories of Prominent Sikh Scholars and Educationists, written by my wife, Dr. Gagandeep Kaur Gulati. We have among us today a galaxy of stalwarts of education as esteemed guests and participants of the book. So let us start the show with this wonderful book. Thank you all.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। कुंभे बद्दा जल रहे, जल बिन कुंभ न होए, ज्ञान का बद्दा मन रहे, गुर बिन ज्ञान ना हो। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਡਾਕਟਰ ਗਗਨਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਗੁਲਾਟੀ ਦਿਸ ਸਾਈਡ। ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੁੱਕ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਪਏ ਸੀਗੇ ਕੁਝ ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ, ਉਹ ਫਾਈਨਲੀ ਅੱਜ ਪੂਰੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਦਿਨ ਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਰਚੁਅਲ ਬੁੱਕ ਲਾਂਚ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। The book is Success Stories of Prominent Sikh Scholars and Educationists. This book shares the journey of 55 successful and Sikh personalities of the world who have achieved excellence in their respective fields. Opportunity may have not knocked their doors, but they snatched it and made the best out of what came their way. I have tried to write the book wherein we have selected personalities from different parts of the world. The book has been written to commemorate the 550th birth celebrations of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the first Guru of Sikhs. It highlights the life of 55 Sikh personalities who have made a significant contribution towards the promotion of education, not only in India, but abroad as well. The purpose of writing the book is not only towards acknowledging these personalities, towards their contribution to the society, but also portraying them as the role models for the youth. All the selected personalities are associated with the field of education, and they all have a wide arena to demonstrate. These educationists are from the faculty of Sikhism, management, media, sports, medicine, IT, digital marketing, performing arts, agriculture, language, kirtan, computer science, and so many other subjects. And above all, humanity. No matter the course, there's always one constant. Everyone cultivated their own path to success. What I found from the book was that all the personalities who feature in this book they are very senior. They have traveled different paths, but their goal was the same, and the goal was weaving dreams into reality. And through their honest hard work, perseverance, and faith in the Almighty God, they were able to turn big dreams into bigger achievements. This book also shares the childhood experiences of these personalities, where they were born, to which family background they belonged to, their lifestyle then and now, their schooling, and attaining their professional degrees. Now, was their journey a cakewalk for them, or they had to face any problems or challenges in life? How did they overcome those challenges while sticking to their beliefs and philosophies? This is what we have tried to cover in the book. This book is also an attempt towards highlighting the positive contribution of Sikhs in the society. I'm really sure that the book will be appreciated by all the readers and shall prove to be a great source of inspiration and motivation for the present and the coming generation. My sincere thanks to Anhat Publications for accepting my request to publish my book under their banner. My thanks to the Almighty God for His grace. My thanks to my parents for always being a source of inspiration. My thanks to my brother for always being there with me throughout the journey of writing the book and helping me editing the book. My thanks to my husband, to my children for always being there, motivating me, helping me. And whenever I felt that I was real reluctant, real demotivated, but they were always there for me. My thanks to Dr. Gurinder Singh Ji for sharing the message for the book. And my big thanks to all the 55 senior personalities who have shared their success stories in this book. I'm really sure that all the readers would appreciate the book. So here we go with the book Success Stories of Prominent Sikh Scholars and Educationalists. So friends, today we are going to formally launch the book. We have amongst us various dignitaries whom we would be honoring, whom we would be felicitating as the eminent guests. Dr. K.K. Agarwal sir has accepted to be our guest today, our chief guest today. We've got so many other dignitaries who would be present during the book launch. So a big thanks to them all. And now let's go forward for the official book launch of the book for which we have worked for at least a year. We all have worked. So let's go and have the formal launch of the book. I really seek blessings and good wishes from you all so that the complete show is a big success. And yes, the book is also a huge success. So let's move forward for the formal official launch of the book. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ
देह शिवाबर मोहि है शुभ कर्मन ते कबहू न डरूं और स्यों जब जाए लरूं निश्चय करे अपनी जीत करूं. Thank you Vaheguru ji for your grace. Thank you God for being so kind, for giving me the opportunity and strength to write this acquisitive book, which many of the participants, as you all mentioned, that this book is going to create history, and we really hope that it would do that. And so finally the wait is over. We all are there, super excited today for the release of the book. And the book goes as Success Stories of Prominent Sikh Scholars and Educationalists. The book has been written to commemorate the 550th birth celebrations of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the first Guru of Sikhs. I thank God and pay my respect towards our 10 Gurus and Jagdi Jot, Hazra Hazur, Zaira Zuhur, Kaljug De Bohit, Naam Ke Jahaz, Halak Plak Ke Rakhyat, Lok Parlok Ke Sahayak, Das Padshahi in this roop, Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji ਨੂੰ ਤੇਰਾ ਪ੍ਰਣਾਮ ਕੋਟ ਕੋਟ ਪ੍ਰਣਾਮ. ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਰਜਨ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਉਚਾਰਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਸੰਤਾਂ ਕੇ ਕਾਰਜ ਆਪ ਖਲੋਵਾ ਹਰ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਾਵਨ ਆਇਆ ਰਾਮ. So today, by the grace of Vaheguru Ji, we have been able to complete the project, and finally we have the book in front of us. The book brings forth in front of the readers a glimpse in the life stories of various Sikh scholars and educationalists. I would like to dedicate this book to my respected father, Sardar Arjan Singh Ji, who has always been an inspiration for me, who has been my mentor and my best friend always. He has always guided me to do Sarbat Da Pala. I am indebted to him for teaching me the values of life, for teaching me how to live, how to stay strong with the head held high. He taught me how to stay positive always in all the circumstances. Of course, by maintaining high character. I am indebted to him
for the whole life and cannot repay back in any form, in any janam. मैं पापा ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੀ, ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ, ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਬਲੇਸਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਜਨਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਰਿਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੀ ਪਾਪਾ. I always seek your blessings. Thank you so much, God. Thank you so much, my Father. It's just because of you that I'm able to do anything in life. Today we will be starting with this beautiful evening with a beautiful Shabad sung by Shivpreet Singh Ji. I would like to tell you all that Shivpreet Singh Ji ne ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ specially ਇਹ ਸ਼ਬਦ record ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ. And I would always like to tell you all that Sardar Shivpreet Singh Ji is the 10th direct descendant of the celebrated 17th century Sikh poet Bhai Nand Lal Ji Goya, a Sikh scholar. He is an entrepreneur and a multimedia producer. He pioneered a new genre of Indo-American music based in California that brings together melodic intricacies of Indian classical music, instrumentation and harmonic elements of Western music. I'm really sure that we all must have heard about him. We must have watched his videos. He's got millions of followers on YouTube. Shivpreet Singh Ji is also an accomplished business professional focused on healthcare. He holds bachelor degrees in biochemistry and music from UC Berkeley, as well as an MBA from the University of Chicago Booth School of Business. He was one of the leading equity research analysts in the US and covered the biotechnology sector and was rated among the top 3 biotechnology analysts by Forbes in the US. So we'll be starting the evening. I would request the females and those who are not wearing turban to please cover your head.
Bhagat Namdev says, Moko tar le Rama, tar le. There is a way for humans to become divine, he says. He says there is a medicine for it, and it can happen very fast. It doesn't take a lot of time. If you have a student like Dhruv, and a teacher, a guiding light, like Narad, this recording is dedicated to those guiding lights, the lighthouses, the teachers who are perennial students, the ones who shine like the North Star, giving direction to feeble boats in the sea of life towards oneness. Tar le baap Pitla संसार समुंदे तार गोविंदे मुको तार ले रामा तार ले मुको तार ले रामा तार ले मैं अजान जन तेरा बिना जानू मैं अजान जन तेरा बिना जानू बाप बीठला बादे मुको तार ले रामा तार ले नर ते सुर होए जात निमक में नर ते सुर होए जात निमक में सतगुर बोध सिखलाई नरते उपज सुरग को जीत्यो सो अवखद मैं पाई मुको तार ले रामा तार ले मुको तार ले राम तार ले मैं अजान जन तर बिना जानो बाप बीठला बांधे मुको तार ले रामा तार ले मुको तार ले रामा तार ले जहाँ जहाँ धु नारद टेके जहाँ जहाँ धु नारद टेके नैक टिकावो मोहे नैक टिकावो मोहे नैक टिकावो मोहे तेरे नाम विलाम बहुत जनोधरे तेरे नाम विलाम बहुत जनोधरे नाम की निज मत नाम की निज मत मुको तार ले रामा तार ले मुको तार ले रामा तार ले मैं अजान जन तर बिना जानो बाप बीठला बांधे मुको तार ले रामा तार ले मुको तार ले मुको तार ले मुको तार ले रामा तार ले
सो वेरी मेलोडियस वॉइस ते शब्द ਤਾਂ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਮੋਕੋ ਤਾਲ ਲੈ ਰਾਮਾ ਤਾਲ ਲੈ Thank you so much Shivpreet ji for singing in this for us and thank you so much Preet Mohan Singh sir for being here today and ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਸਾਡੀ ਐਕਸੈਪਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਸ਼ਿਵਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇ ਸਕੇ Thank you so much Now I would we have amongst us Professor K.K. Agarwal sir today and I would request him to inaugurate the function today. I'm really sure that sir needs no introduction. Dr. K.K. Agarwal sir, he is the chairman NBA. I would like to tell few things about him. He pursued his PhD from NIT Kurukshetra. After a distinguished service of 27 years at NIT Kurukshetra, Sir served as Pro-Vice Chancellor GJU Hisar for a period of 3 years and then as founder VC of GGS Indraprastha University Delhi for a period of 10 years. Sir has published approximately 400 papers in the reputed journals, about 50% of these in international journals as well. Thank you so much, sir, for being here, for accepting my humble invite and for joining us today for the book launch of the book Success Stories of Prominent Sikh Educationists and Scholars. Thank you so much, sir, for being here with us. You are most welcome today, sir. So we would like if you can speak a few words for us.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gagandeep Kaur, for nice introduction. And I have a US webinar little later, but what brings me here is number one, very strong commitment of Dr. Gagandeep Kaur to the cause, and her dedication, which she has displayed over several years in completing this project very passionately. And I was very impressed by her strong dedication to the cause. And secondly, I thought it's an opportunity to meet many of the friends in one platform. When I find that she has written about 55 prominent Sikh scholars and educationists, I find at least half of them are personally connected with me in some form or the other. Many of them have been contemporaries. Some of them have worked with me in various committees. I see Dr. Nisha Jaiswal here, and so on and so forth. Some of have been my colleagues in various institutions. For example, Dr. Hora was at NIT Kurukshetra, then some were at PEC Chandigarh, and some at IP University. And I find one of my teachers, Professor Tara Singh Kamal, to be mentioned here and talked about in this book. So I find it a great honor to be here amongst all these stalwarts, which she has picked up by great effort. All over the world she searched and found these 55. I'm sure these 55 is a very small number. The people who have contributed to the cause, even amongst the Sikh scholars, is very large. But then for any individual to pick up even 55 persons of this eminence is not a small thing. And my compliments and congratulations to Dr. Gagandeep for her success, and pray to God that many more successes come her way and she is able to take the cause further. Friends, I belong to Amritsar, many of you may not know, and therefore have a sort of inherent contacts and contemporariness with many of the friends belonging to Sikh families, Sikh scholars, and so on and so forth. And we used to feel so proud in going to Harmandir Sahib almost every day. That was the tradition of our family when we were there. So, and even when I was invited to be the Vice Chancellor of IP University in Delhi, many of you again may not know, it was named as Indraprastha University to begin with, and it was during the tricentenary Khalsa year that we got it renamed as Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, as one of the methods to pay tribute to one of the strongest personalities of India, who shaped India. I invariably say many a times, I do not find any other personality in the whole world. ਜਦੋਂ ਛੋਟੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਸੈਕਰੀਫਾਈਸ ਕਰਾਇਆ, ਔਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੇਟਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੈਕਰੀਫਾਈਸ ਕਰਾਇਆ। 3 ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਸੈਕਰੀਫਾਈਸ ਕਰਾਉਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਖਦੀ। ਤੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ, ਔਰ 10 ਸਾਲ ਉਹਦਾ ਵਾਈਸ ਚਾਂਸਲਰ ਰਿਹਾ। ਮੈਂ ਸਮਝਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਆਸ਼ੀਰਵਾਦ ਸੀ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਇਸ ਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਏ। ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਸਟ ਦੇਖੀ 55 scholars ਦੀ ਔਰ ਪਾਇਆ Dr. Gagandeep has chosen male, female, all over the world and everything. And I just reminded, एक scholar ने लिखा था बहुत देर पहले, if you want to finish a country, finish 3 things. Number 1, finish the role of mother in the family. Number 2, finish the language, local language. And number 3, finish role models. If you are able to finish these 3 things, you will make sure that you have killed a country. This was what was attempted on India, and I am very happy today that Dr. Gagandeep has at least tried to revive all these things. She has taken some female characters, very prominent female personalities. She has taken up almost all 55 as ideal role models for the next generation to follow, and she is trying to promote the local languages in her own way. So I find that the antidote of that article is being reversed, and we have today a method of paying our great regard to these 55 persons. I don't want to go into the names of these people, because if I start talking about each one of them, I think whole time of the function of Dr. Gagandeep will go. But I am so happy that it is being done. And whenever I met her a couple of times, and she named her organization as Weaving Dreams into Reality. And she translates it so well into her personal life and career that she really transforms dreams into reality. And as I always say, you have to dream first, then act, and then achieve. So she has dreamt, she has acted, and now she is on the road to achieving great satisfaction of life. My best wishes to her, and hope that things will keep on unfolding for her. And one more beautiful aspect of her choice is that she has chosen persons connected with all fields of education. I mean, it's not only the traditional academic education in the conventional sense, but be it sports, be it music, be it whatever can transform us is defined education by her. And I'm so happy to see that only a couple of months ago, we saw the release of National Education Policy, where we are trying to make sure education has to be broad-based. If education remains confined to a discipline, we are hampering the personalities of the people. And therefore, she has chosen a very broad-based spectrum of people, and she has consciously or subconsciously applied an element of spirituality also into the choice of these 55 people. I have always been believing, if India has to be world leader, it has to be on the strength of our spirituality, because that is our uniqueness. Education many countries have, science and technology many have, but our spirituality is our uniqueness. And I remember in a lecture in UNESCO, I said the world leader will be the country which can have a multiple quotient of science and spirituality both. And I think Dr. Gagandeep chose people who are excellent in education, science, academics, and also in the spirituality angle. And therefore, these 55 will be real models, role models for the young generation. That I think will be the greatest satisfaction to Dr. Gagandeep, if some young people learn from any of these role models, some new attributes in their life, and transform themselves. I have always been saying, life has taken us to running very fast. But as somebody rightly said, don't look at the clock all the time, look at the compass also. See in which direction you are going. If you are going in a wrong direction at a very fast speed, you will meet the accident faster. Do we want to do that? So direction is equally important. And I always give an analogy of a car. If you have a car with a very good accelerator, as the youngsters love to drive, any number of horsepower doesn't satisfy them. But if the steering of the car is not proper, accident is bound to happen. So steering has to be given by our value system, our spirituality, our cultural heritage, and that also she has attempted in the choice of these 55 role models of the country. And I have read some parts of it are so beautifully compiled. I congratulate her, compliment her, wish her all the best, and thank all those 55 people who took trouble to give material to her, to write about them, to make sure that their role model becomes public domain for the youth of the country, and all other invitees who are so eminent in their fields. and I am so happy that she thought of inviting me this evening, and I'm grateful to her for this, and wish her all the best in this book launch and all her future endeavors. Thank you very much. Sat Sri Akal, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for such kind words. I'm really very grateful to you for accepting my invite, for being here, and speaking such nice and kind words for each one of us, rather. Thank you so much. Yes, sir, this was the purpose of writing the book, that even if one single individual is able to learn something from the lives of these all these dignitaries who are present today, it would be a big thing. And I would think कि मैं जो काम किया और सफल हो गया, मैं नहीं किया जी, रब ने कराया, जैसे सारे ने रल के किया हैगा। ते बिल्कुल सर तुसी ठीक किया कि I troubled everyone, each one of them, to spare time and write and share about their stories. Yes, indeed, I troubled them all, and I'm really hopeful कि तुसी सारे में माफ कर दोगे इस trouble ली, and and we really hope that so many lives could be touched by this book. Thank you so much for being here today. Now next, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Gurinder Singh ji is the Group Vice Chancellor of Amity Universities, and he's the Director General, Amity Group of Institutions, and Vice Chairman, Global Foundation for Learning Excellence, and Director General, Amity International Business School. And we are very thankful to Sir that he has given the message for our book. I'm really indebted to him for that. The schedule would be like this. I would keep on inviting our personalities, our guests for today, and I would also keep on felicitating and honoring our participants of the book today. So first of all, can I now invite and thank Dr. Sandeep Marwa sir, and I can request him to speak for 2 minutes and just let us know about the thoughts that he has about us, about the book. Dr. Sandeep Marwa sir.
Thank you very much. Let me start with 2 lines. कि प्यार नहीं है सुर से जिसको, वो मूर्ख इंसान नहीं, सुर इंसान बना देता है, सुर रहमान मिला देता है, सुर की आग में जलने वाले परवाने नादान नहीं. Respected Professor K.K. Agarwal ji, Dr. Gagandeep ji, all the dignitaries present here, and my dear friends, what I'm trying to tell you in these 2 lines, that it's very important to love art and culture. It's very important because life is nothing without art and culture. Rather, I have considered that if someone does not love art and culture, then he is not at all a complete human being. And out of all the arts, writing is also one very important art which must be promoted and which must be brought down on the table. And I think let me extend my heartiest congratulations to Dr. Gagandeep Kaur for writing this beautiful book and covering the most important 55 into this book. Needless to say that wherever 6 they have gone, they have actually turned out to be leaders, and right from presidents and prime ministers to ministers, and from all start of life they have achieved. They are self-motivated people. They are achievers in themselves. And I'm very happy that 55 very important people have been covered by Dr. Gagandeep Kaur. I once again congratulate you, Gagandeep ji. I also congratulate all the 55 important people who are present here. And I would love to go through this book page by page so that I can learn a lot from these initiators, from these motivators, from these achievers. And probably I can pass on all that material, what you have gathered, into this small little Bible, or it's a small Granth Sahib, which will probably carry a lot of information for the youth for time to come. And with all these words, without taking much of time, I extend my heartiest thanks to you for calling me here and giving me this beautiful opportunity to be part of this such a wonderful, auspicious occasion. Gagandeep Kaur has been doing wonders. Weaving Dreams has come up very well. I am so lucky that this Weaving Dreams was started at Marva Studios at Noida Film City. It has picked up so well, and I think lately the 100 interviews which we have created for public during lockdown is also commendable, and it's worth praising that you have turned out to be not only a wonderful writer, but you have been also a wonderful anchor person. And I had a wonderful privilege earlier also when you released your book earlier last year. I think I'm lucky. I feel lucky now today that I am associated with your this product also. With all these words, thank you very much once again. Vaheguru Ji Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Fateh.
Thank you so much, sir. It's completely my honor, because as you also know that yes, you gave us the opportunity to start Weaving Dreams from the very prestigious Marva Studios, and no event of Weaving Dreams is complete without you, sir. I would like to inform all the dignitaries present here that Dr. Sandeep Marva, he is a very well-known international media person. He is also the recipient of the Dada Saheb Phalke Film Foundation Award. And with 5 world records to his credit, he is the founder of Marva Studios and Asian Academy of Film and Television, and which is now one of the 10 best film schools of the world. And moreover, that he has been nominated by the government of Chhattisgarh as the Chancellor of AAFT University of Media and Arts, Raipur. Thank you so much, sir, for always being there with us, for us in all my conferences, all my book launches. No event is complete without you, sir. Thank you so much for being here today as well.
Pleasure is mine. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Friends, as you all know, rather sirs and madams, I think I'm the youngest. I would like to tell our guests of today that this book that shares the stories of 55 Sikh personalities who have made a significant contribution towards the promotion of education, not only in India but abroad as well. And the purpose of writing this book was not only towards acknowledgement of these personalities, towards their contribution to the society, but again also portraying them as a role models for the youth, as Sir Agarwal sir and Marva sir also just mentioned. And all those selected personalities are associated with different fields of education, IT, digital marketing, performing arts, and so on. And most important thing that I gathered while talking to each one of them was everyone has cultivated their own path to success. Success hasn't come easy to any one of them. This is what I have realized, and this is what I have learned while writing this book. This is actually a big that I have realized that I learned so much from this, from their success stories, that so many dignitaries are present here. Rather, I would like to speak them. I would like to request them to speak what all they have shared. And now I would like to thank, and I would request my mother, my respected mother, Mrs. Surinder Kaur, who is present. I know that Mama, you are very shy, and it's been months that I have met you. I'm in Delhi, you are in Chandigarh now, but I would like to now in front of everyone, I would really like to मेरा नमन ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ मैं किन्ने जन्म भी ਲੈ ਲਵਾਂ मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਦੇਣੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੀ ਮਮਾ ਜੋ ਕੁਝ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਨਮ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਜਨਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਔਕੜਾਂ ਆਈਆਂ ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਆਬਸਟੈਕਲਸ ਆਈਆਂ ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਪਿਲਰ ਆਫ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੜੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਨਮਨ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ I don't have words to thank you, but mama I request you to speak something. ਭਾਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਲਈ ਬੋਲੋ ਅੱਧੇ ਮਿੰਟ ਲਈ ਬੋਲੋ, but please you have to speak something today.
Beta, congratulations beta, God bless you. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. You are also a scholar, and you the book written by you by our 55 scholars. They are also a great person. बेटे कि चढ़दी कला में रहो, हमेशा खुश रहो, मेरे हमेशा आप ले दुआ.
Thank you, Mama. I'm so glad. So thanks to you कि ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਬੋਲੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ. Mummy has retired as lecturer from Punjab government, and ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ, we all are teachers and we all understand ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਟੀਚਰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਵਸ ਨੂੰ ਟੱਚ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ, and mama has been very strict teacher and a very strict mother at home. I should tell everyone she's been very strict. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ stern look ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਘਬਰਾ ਜੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, but then you have never ever let me not study. Whatever I am here, it's just because of you. Now we'll start with the personalities of today who are here, of the personalities of the book. First of all, if we have Dr. Professor Achru Singh sir with us today, the first personality in the book, Professor Achru Singh sir. He has retired as a professor of English and he is an author. He is a renowned and a dedicated academician and and also an author. He has a very impressive life journey, and for his exemplary service towards the society, he has also been conferred with various prestigious awards and honors.
Thanks, Dr. Gagandeep Kaur, and thanks all the people present in this book. ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸ਼ਲਾਘਾਯੋਗ ਉਪਰਾਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਪੜ੍ਹੀ ਹੈ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਸਫਲਤਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਕਾਮਯਾਬੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਥਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਰੋਸ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦੀ। ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਨਤ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਹੀ ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਕੀਤਾ, ਔਰ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਗਗਨਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ਾਨਦਾਰ ਉਪਰਾਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ, ਸ਼ਲਾਘਾਯੋਗ ਉਪਰਾਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਕੀਤਾ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਾਣੀ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਬਣ ਗਈ, ਔਰ ਨਵੀਂ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਲਈ ਇੰਸਪੀਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ। ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਸਮੂਹ ਜੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੈਂਟਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ, ਔਰ ਐਟ ਦਾ ਸੇਮ ਟਾਈਮ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਗਗਨਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਗੁਲਾਟੀ ਹੋਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ।
Next, I would like to thank the second participant of the book, Professor Dr. Amritpal Kaur ji. She is a professor in Punjabi Literary Studies and she is the head by Veer Singh Chair, Punjabi University, Patiala. She is a researcher in the field of Bani communication and is a role model for our succeeding generation. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your story in the book. Now I would like to thank Sardar Antarpreet Singh ji as a third participant in the book who shares his story, success story. He is the Director, Digital Learning, Indian School of Business. He is a digital education leader and is working with the world-class business management institution, ISC. Thank you, sir, for being here with us.
Sat Sri Akal, my name is Antarpreet Singh. So first of all, let me congratulate Dr. Gagandeep Kaur Gulati for a very ambitious project she has undertaken and she has very successfully completed it. Professor Agarwal said spirituality and education are two key pillars of socio-economic growth of any country, and this is the initiative, now it's a collective initiative in which I would say that the spiritual part and the education part and the socio-economic part, everything is going hand in hand. Another thought, and this again I'm aligned with what Professor Agarwal said related to direction and speed, and this is what I also talk in my digital transformation classes, is that the direction or the strategy, the digitalization is all about direction. So even in context of our this initiative, I would say this initiative provides a direction. It provides role models to our youth, and the efficiency part, how to do things right, comes later. The first is the direction. I have taken an initiative related to digital economy and empowerment of our youth. How to enable our youth, how to enable our Sikh youth, how to enable all our youth in Punjab. And digital economy is going to generate and create and support 65 million jobs by 2025, which is not far away. So I think this is the initiative which Dr. Gagandeep Kaur Gulati has launched, which I would say will connect with the larger ecosystem. And I just don't see it just only as a spiritual or education driven initiative, but I would also link it with the overall socio-economic kind of initiative. My best wishes, and I would be very happy to contribute further to the initiatives which help empower our youth, especially our Sikh youth, and that's only possible if the true role models are there. And very humbly I would say that we have, all of us, all 55 of us, with the leadership of Dr. Gagandeep Kaur Gulati, have taken small steps towards this endeavor. Thank you very much. Sat Sri Akal.
Our next participant for the work, Professor Avinash Singh Ji. He is an academician and journalist par excellence. He is a researcher and administrator, a media professional, political analyst and author, photographer, short story writer and a sportsman. All rolled into one. Thank you, sir, for being here with us today and for sharing your success story with us all. Dr. Baldev Singh Taliwal Ji. He is a professor and Dean Alumni Relations at Punjabi University, Patiala. He is an educationist and renowned writer of Punjabi language. He is popularly known as the Encyclopedia of Punjabi Short Stories. Thank you, sir, for being here with us. Next, we have with us today Dr. Baldev Dhillon Ji. Dr. Baldev Singh Dhillon, sir, he is the present Vice Chancellor of Punjab Agricultural University, Punjab. He is a busy bee and a workaholic. He has always been burning midnight toil and work, and he believes that work is not only worship, but it's also an obsession with him. And following Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji's message of Pavan Guru Pani Pita Mata Tartmaha, he has made remarkable contribution to the Punjab Agriculture University and agriculture during his stint as Vice Chancellor since 2011. Thank you so much, sir, for being here today, for sharing your success story. Thanks to you. Now, we also have amongst us as one of our esteemed guests, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, ma'am. Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, she is associated with Punjab University. I'm really sure so many of you must be knowing her. Meenakshi ma'am has also been my PhD guide. I did my PhD in 2006 from Punjab University, Chandigarh. And that time ma'am was so busy. She was the Dean Students Welfare. I still remember that before she used to come back home at 6 o'clock in the evening, we were already there at her place. And she would never say no. कई बारी तो ऐसा हुंदा सी मेरे दो छोटे छोटे बच्चे मैं नाल चुके होने ते मैं मैम दे घर पहुंचे होना ते मैम ने मैनू गाइड करना. I have never seen such a nice, such an accessible and such a sweet guide, PhD guide like you. Meenakshi ma'am, thank you so much for always being there. I would really request you to speak something today.
Gagan, I would like to first of all congratulate you for doing this great job. I know you did your research on change management. I don't know whether you've forgotten or not. So you are actually bringing change. You're actually trying to change the society, and I'm very happy about it. Changing masses is not easy. So it's a very good exercise done by you to change our society. Yes, Gagan had been a very diligent student. When she joined me in her pre-PhD program, she just got married, and then by the end of the year, she was expecting her daughter. And I still remember when she was having her final viva. You will all be amazed. She was having her labor pains, and I could feel that being a woman, I could see that. And I told her to hurry up, but as other teachers did not understand, they wanted to ask her questions. And finally, she answered those questions. And straight from that place, she went to labor room. And the next day I heard that she has been blessed with a beautiful daughter. So that kind of, I will say grit she had, that she has to complete her PhD. And when she did it, she used to get a lot of scoldings from me as and when things went out of hands. But she was a very hardworking person. And I'm extremely happy that she is doing such a wonderful job. She wrote a book earlier, as Sandeep ji just mentioned, that she wrote a beautiful book, and now she has come out with this new book. I'm very happy with her. You know, for a teacher, it's the most happiest moment when students do so well. So I'm extremely happy, Gagan, for this job, and I'm happy that you have chosen such great role models and telling to the society that we have to, they should become our benchmarks, and we should try to imitate them, we should try to learn from them, and then our society can progress. I'm very happy that you do well, and I wish you all the best, Gagan. Thank you, Gagan.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for always being there. You, ma'am, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੀਕ ਕਿਹਾ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੇਟੀ ਨੇ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਸੀ, she was born in 2002, and that was a pre-PhD viva, and it was really very tough. I still remember you were the only female present there, and I requested you कि ma'am ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ hospital ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਕਰੋ, and some professors were actually saying ਇਹ ਪੂਰੀ wait ਕਰੇਗੀ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਬੱਚਾ out of the turn ਆके viva नहीं देगा, and but it was just you who supported me that time, and after that you selected me as your student. It's a great honor for me. You were the pro vice chancellor of Punjab University, Chandigarh, and you were used to be so busy, but I still remember ਮੇਰੇ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ scolding ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਯੂਰਪ ਘੁੰਮਣ ਚਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਕਦੋਂ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ
that was part of my job.
Of course, ma'am, ਜੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ scolding ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ PhD ਨਾ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ. Thank you so much for being there with me always.
Thank you very much, Gagan.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to move further. Friends, we also have amongst us today Mr. RTS Tulsi ji. He is a very well-known figure, especially in Chandigarh. Sir, if you are there, Mr. Ravitej Pal Singh Tulsi ji. The next name, Professor Dr. Daljeet Singh ji. Thank you so much, sir, for being here today with us. Sir is the Vice Chancellor of Riyad Bahara University, Mohali. And he has attained huge recognition in the field of academics, in the area of law, and in the circles of Sikh intellectuals. Over the years, he has won several laurels of glory, competing in the field of academics, law, and administrative leadership.
बहुत प्यार भरी सत श्री अकाल। और दूसरा डॉक्टर गगनदीप कौर जी, जो तुसीं ਇਹ ਉਦਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਇਹ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਜਾਵੇਗਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਅਨਸੰਗ ਹੀਰੋਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਾਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਜਦੇ ਨੇ, ਪਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਰੈਕਗਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ महान कार्य करके एक किताब लिख के बहुत बड़ा योगदान पाया, और रैकोगनाइजेशन जो टीचर्स नूं, अकैडमिशियंस नूं, एजुकेशनिस्ट्स नूं और खास तौर पर सिख परसनैलिटीज़ नूं दित्ती है, उहदे लई तुसीं वधाई दे पात्र हो। बहुत मेहनत की है तुसीं, असीं सारे जाणदे हां, दिन रात तुसीं इस दी मेहनत कीती है। बख्शिश करे परमात्मा आउंदे समय दे विच सारियां महान शख्सियतां जिन्नियां भी सामने बैठियां ने, असीं इकट्ठे होईए ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਆਇਦਾ ਕਰੀਏ, ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਅਦਾ ਕਰੀਏ ਕਿ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋਈਏ ਉਹ ਦਈਏ। ਔਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਪੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ, ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਮਹਾਨ ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਬੈਠੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਵਧਾਈ ਵੀ ਦਿੰਦਾ। ਔਰ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਗਗਨਦੀਪ ਜੀ, ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਮਹਾਨ ਕਾਰਜ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕਾਰਜ ਕੀਤਾ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸਰ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਫॉर ਸਚ ਕਾਈਂਡ ਵਰਡਸ। ਯੈਸ, ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਰ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਵੀ ਮਿਲੀਏ। ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ੂਮ ਤੇ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹਾਂ, ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਮਿਲੀਏ, ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ। Next, I would like to thank Professor Dr. Davinder Kaur. Ma'am is a musicologist and educationist, and she is a former professor and HOD music instrumental at GCG Patiala, Punjab. She is an eminent musicologist, and she has contributed much to the Hindustani music in the last 3 decades. After serving for 5 years in GCW Gurgaon and 7 years in Bhatinda, she cleared her PPSC examination in 92 and then she worked. Thank you, ma'am. And very importantly, ma'am is also a great poetess, and she is one of the regular poetess of Weaving Beams. As many of you know that we have recently started Weaving Beams also, which is an online show. Earlier it was, we used to do this in universities and colleges. And as Dr. Sandeep Marwa ji said, that the first one was launched in the very prestigious Marwa Studios. I would also like to tell one thing to you all, that Dr. Sandeep Marwa sir, he is also the brother-in-law of Anil Kapoor. Next, we have amongst us today Dr. Davinder Pal Singh ji. He is from Canada. He is the Director, Center for Understanding Sikhism, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. He is an ex-associate professor in physics, PES, and is presently working as Director, Center for Understanding Sikhism there. Next, we have amongst us Professor Davinder Singh Chahal, sir. He is the scientist of the age of enlightenment, and he is the President Institute of Understanding Sikhism, IUS. He is a scientist and a microbiologist, and he can be proudly included among the scientists of the age of enlightenment, as I just mentioned. Thank you so much, sir, for being here today. And later that I realized that he has also been the teacher for a very senior dignitary amongst us, Dr. Kirpal Singh Aulat, sir. Next, I would like to thank today Dr. Devinder Singh Sekhwal, sir. He is an academician and an author. He is a PhD chemistry and educational administration. Presently, sir is also in Canada. He retired as Corporate University professor from there, and he taught chemistry at a college in Alberta, Canada, and did MA classes at the University of Northern British Columbia, Toronto. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your story and being with us today. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Charandeep Singh here. Mr. Charandeep Singh, he's a banker, he's an author, and he's also the Sahitya Academy Award. I would like to tell everyone that he's my brother. Whatever I am today, मैं तो एक community ABC आउंदी है या मैंने पाठ करना आंदा है. It's all because of him. मैंने याद है बचपन हमेशा मैंने टॉफियां चॉकलेट मिलते होंगे सी जे तू इन्ना जपजी साहिब दा पाठ याद कर लेंगी तो मैं तेन ये दूंगा ते जे तू इन्ना पाठ कर लेंगी तो मैं ते ये दूंगा ते टॉफियां ते चॉकलेट से चक्कर विच ही मैं पाठ भी सीख जांदी सी ते पढ़ाई भी कर लेंदी सी. Thank you so much, Charandeep Singh, for being here. I really want that if you can speak something, maybe even for 2 minutes today.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Gagandeep. Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
First of all, heartiest congratulations to all the participants of this wonderful book. I also extend my best wishes to Dr. Gagandeep Kaur for bringing together so many magnificent personalities on one platform. This is her fourth book, and indeed it is a splendid one. The topic chosen by her is unparalleled and very close to my heart. everyone's heart. Teaching is a noble profession, and after going through your persona or going through the persona of all the esteemed personalities, I can say that it is more than a profession for you. It is a passion. Now, teachers are architects of the society. We all know. They shape the careers of their students and so many other individuals. Although teaching is in itself a noble profession, but a teacher who is a Sikh, who is following the ideals of liberty, fraternity, universal brotherhood, and human rights, that a teacher can polish his or her students to be very fine human beings. So Dr. Gagandeep Kaur, you have done a wonderful job of bringing together so many great personalities who have a very good persona attached with them. So I would like to congratulate you again, and I would like to congratulate everyone, and it will be very nice when I would like to meet you after going through the book. I would personally come and try and meet you. I was a banker first. For about 22-23 years I have in banks. Last I was in ICICI Bank as regional manager. Then I left banking and I took up teaching. Now I'm a professor in a university. I've written some books also, 5 or 6 novels which are in public domain, and some are about Sikh history, and they are novels in the form of story, but history is also there, actual real facts and fictional characters. So I would again I would congratulate everyone. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Shrikant.
Because of you that I am here and I was able to write this book. Moving forward, we also share the success story of Dr. Dharminder Singh Ubaji. He is the principal of Khalsa College, Patiala, Punjab. He is a very dynamic personality.
डॉक्टर गगनदीप गुलाटी होरा ने जो ये सिख स्कॉलर्स और एजुकेशनस के उत्ते कॉफी टेबल बुक तैयार की है, इट्स ए वंडरफुल एक्सीलेंट मार्वलस प्रोजेक्ट। बड़ी मेहनत की है, बड़ी कमिटमेंट दे नाल काम कीता, और मैनू खुशी है कि मैं इस किताब का हिस्सा बनया हाँ और उन्हां शख्सियतां दे नाल बनया हाँ जिन्हां ने बहुत वड्डा वड्डा नामना ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਖੇਤਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੱਟਿਆ, ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਦੇ ਖੇਤਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੱਟਿਆ, ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਦੇ ਖੇਤਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੱਟਿਆ। ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਆ ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਗਗਨਦੀਪ ਹੋਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵੈਂਚਰ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਔਰ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਅੱਗੇ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਲਮ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਕਤ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਹੋਰ ਵੱਡੇ ਤੇ ਨਵੇਕਲੇ ਕਾਰਜ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ। Once again, I congratulate Dr. Gagandeep for this adventurous venture.
We have amongst us in the book Professor Dr. Dilbag Singh Hiraji. He is the former Vice Chancellor of Guru Kashi University, GKU Talwandi Sabo, Punjab, and he is an erudite educationist and acclaimed administrator. He is a member of large number of professional societies like Fellow of Institution of Engineers, Life Member of ISTE, Life Member of Punjab Science Congress, and many other. He has published more than 70 research papers and 5 textbooks, and it's indeed a great thing that he is here with us in the book. Thank you so much, sir, for being here with the book. Then we have Dr. Gurdeep Singh Muraji, who shares a success story in the book. He is the professor, Department of Maths and Computer Science in the University of Maryland, Eastern Shore, USA. He is the professor of maths, and he has been able to attain the position of huge respect globally. He has received various excellence awards and published several research papers, conducted workshops on different topics of computer science. Next we have Sardar Gurdeep Singh Hariji. He is an author, healer and health reformer, and he has written 3 books also, which have been recently translated into Hindi and Punjabi. The books are conscious, unconscious, and superconscious mind, mental, physical, and spiritual health, and go back to nature and heal yourself. Thank you, sir, for sharing your story with us. And I can see you are present with us today. If you can just speak a few words, please, about the book.
Hello.
जी सर, सत श्री अकाल सर, वेलकम सर।
हाँ जी, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਪਿਆਰ ਹੀ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਹੈ। I know I am love. I know you are love. And love is the common bond to which we all belong. Because love is God and God is love. And we all belong to Him. And we all are one. Ek Onkar. This is what one of the greatest teachers of all times, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, taught when he said, Sikho, 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 learn, learn and learn, that we all are one and we belong to each other. And I'm thankful and grateful to Dr. Gagandeep for bringing us together as one in this amazing book, Success Stories of Prominent Sikh Scholars and Educationalists. Due to COVID-19, we are having a virtual book launch, but I'm certain when things become okay, we will get together for a physical book launch. And I would like to invite all of you to Ghana one day to have a physical book launch over here at the opening of my dream school, Healthy Mind International School, where the motto of education will be education for the future with the wisdom of the past. There are more details about this school in this book that is being launched. And it's so amazing that Dr. Gagandeep and me were having a conversation yesterday, and I mentioned to her that Ghana is one country which has been successfully able to control the spread of COVID-19. And this is something which we all need to learn. So I welcome you all to come and visit this country sometime next year. And Dr. Gagandeep, thank you so much for coming out with this amazing book and bringing us together in the image of the Creator and in the image of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. I love you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such kind words. Thanks to you for sharing your success story in the book. I'm really sure that we all would get motivated. I have already been inspired from the stories of you all. I'm really sure when the book reaches more and more people, they all would be motivated by such positivity that you have always. We need to learn so much from you, sir. Thank you, sir. Next, we have amongst us Sardar Gurinder Pal Singh Josan ji. We all have heard, we all have seen the movie Kesari, I'm really sure. And Sardar Josan ji, he's the founder, president, Sikhs in America, and he's the chairman, Saragadi Foundation. And he's the one, as he told me, that he's the one way back in 1990s when he approached all the families of the Saragadi, and then he met them, he spoke to them, and then he wrote the book on the basis of it, the movie Kesari. Thank you so much, sir. And he recently also received an award of the Province of USA in January 2020. Presently, he is in USA only. We have amongst us Davinder Kaur ma'am also, Dr. Davinder Kaur. Ma'am, she just mentioned that she is a poetess as well.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gagandeep ji, and Sat Shri Akal to all. Such a great personalities. I'm feeling so lucky that I'm amongst them. Now, Dr. Gagandeep, should I recite some else poem or which I had written for this purpose?
Ma'am, ਤੁਸੀਂ actually जो कुछ लिखे हैगा, please ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ share ਕਰੋ.
Okay. So, especially इस occasion के लिए शुक्रिया उसकी रहमतों का करती हूँ आज. This is from Dr. Gagandeep ji. शुक्रिया उसकी रहमतों का करती हूँ आज, मिली जो खुशियों की सौगात नजर करती हूँ आज. शुक्रिया उसकी रहमतों, उसकी परमात्मा की रहमतों का करती हूँ आज। मिली जो खुशियों की सौगात नजर करती हूँ आज। मन में हंसी ख्वाब था कुछ करने का। डॉक्टर गगनदीप जी कह रहे हैं, मन में हंसी ख्वाब था कुछ करने का, पूरा हुआ वो ख्वाब रश्क करती हूँ आज। और अगला शेर है, मिला है जो मुकाम जिंदगी में सबको, आप सबको मिला है जो मुकाम जिंदगी में सबको, जानकर ही मैं फख्र करती हूँ आज। मिला है जो मुकाम जिंदगी में सबको, जानकर ही मैं फख्र करती हूँ आज। दिल में मेरे शिकवा ना कोई मलाल है, दिल में मेरे शिकवा ना कोई मलाल है, मैं तो उसकी इनायतों का ही दम भरती हूँ आज। पहले जो शिकवा था कि कोरोना की वजह से हम कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे, तो आज बहुत कुछ कर पा रहे हैं, इसीलिए कि दिल में मेरे शिकवा ना कोई मलाल है, मैं तो उसकी इनायतों का ही दम भरती हूँ आज। और आखिरी शेर है, विंदर बड़े दिनों के बाद मुबारक दिन आया, बड़े दिनों के बाद मुबारक दिन आया, मुबारक हो सबको ये दुआ करती हूँ आज। मुबारक हो सबको, आप सबको मुबारक हो सबको ये दुआ करती हूँ।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू जी, बहुत सोहना लिखिਆ जी, बहुत सोहना ਲਿਖਿਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ।
थैंक यू
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ਿਕਵਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ, ਪਰ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਇਦਾਂ
नो इट्स ग्रेट वी आर टुगेदर नाउ।
बिल्कुल ठीक है जी। आई कैन आल्सो सी प्रोफेसर अविनाश सिंह सर भी ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਲਈ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿਊਜ਼ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਸਰ। ਯੂ ਆਰ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੁਡੇ।
A momentous moment for every one of us, particularly for me, to be amongst all of you. One cannot imagine Dr. Daljit Singh. It's always an honor to be with you, to have interaction with you. Gurdeep Harisa, practically I cannot take name, but starting with Marwaz Sahab and Dr. K.K. Agarwal Sahab, who have been our teachers. It's been a wonderful, wonderful evening, and on behalf of everyone, I would like to actually congratulate you what you have done, and despite all the problems, you actually saw to it that book comes out. You had a printer going away, you picked up another one, you buttonholed another one to have it. We won't say it's late, it's still on time, because we are reviving all those memories and we are remembering Guru Nanak Sahib once again on this occasion. So I say congratulations everyone, and particularly Dr. Gagandeep Kaur. It's a wonderful, wonderful occasion, and once again, please keep it up, whatever you have started. Thank you. Sat Sri Akal to all.
Thank you sir, thank you for such nice and kind words.